just a quick video on Turtle Beach and their fails. As you can see, there's a Turtle Beach headset, and they crack. I don't know if you can pick that up through here in the earpiece. That side and that side, and they broke up there. I fixed that, but this is unfixable. I've tried to glue them. It's that thin you can't even glue them back together. These are obviously Z300s, and one of their more pricey headset. I bought these brand new, and this is what's happened to them. Now, secondly, I bought this pair to replace. This is a wide set of the Z60s to replace this pair. And I can't get parts for them because you go to their website and it's just all gobbledygook about buying a new headset off them and what's new coming up and things like that. But I bought this set, as you can see, broke through there. So I took these back because they were still under warranty, and took them to JB Hi-Fi in Werribee where I bought them with the docket, and they're like, oh no, we can't do anything about that, we can't send them back because they've been rough handled. Yeah, maybe if I was a 12-year-old boy you could go with that, but I'm 56 years old and I use these to watch movies and things like that. I don't throw them around, I don't have temper tantrums and shit like that. And they broke through there. But yes, apparently that was my fault because I was too rough with them. Yeah, it's the same as these. Like, that's $100 set of headset, $100 headset, so you're not going to be rough with it. This, on the other hand, is a more expensive set. Like, these cost a fair bit more. But to have plastic shitty workmanship like this, and have it break through here and break through here, is just bad quality. Bad quality. I always used to buy Turtle Beach because they were the best brand on the market. But obviously, they've gone to shit. So if I was you, I would not buy a Turtle Beach headset from anywhere and think to yourself you're getting a quality headset, because it's all shitty plastic and it will break. Like, this thing here is falling off. Like, what's the reason for that falling off? Same thing happened with this. Both of these fell off. Like, but what is the actual reason for these all falling apart? I'll tell you, they want more money for less fucking quality. That's what the reason is. So they've just gone to shit. In here, there's a plate that is a cover for the screws. This one fell off. Just fell off. Just broke and fell off. Like, how can you say you're selling a quality product when what you're really selling is a cheap, nasty bit of shit that you've destroyed your own name with me. I'll never buy Turtle Beach again. In fact, people ask me, what headset should I buy for my son? Don't fucking buy him Turtle Beach because they're crap. They'll fall apart. They'll break in places where they should never break. And they're just made out of cheap shit plastic. So don't buy them. There you go. So that's a quick video on the quality that Turtle Beach is now putting out. Thanks for watching.